Have you ever heard someone say, "Don't put all your eggs in one basket"? It sounds a bit funny, right? But it's not about breakfast, it's actually an idiom. Idioms are powerful because they add color, emotion, and a natural flow to the English language. Hello dear friends. Welcome to Plain Simple English. Here, we learn real English in simple, relatable ways. If you enjoy lessons like this, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. Together, we'll make English not just fluent, but also expressive. So, what exactly are idioms? They are phrases that carry meanings beyond the literal words. Using idioms helps you sound more like a native speaker, and makes your conversations more fun and memorable. Let's explore some common idioms together. 1. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. This means you shouldn't risk everything on a single plan. For example, I invested in 2 businesses, because I didn't want to put all my eggs in one basket. Another example, she applied to many universities, not just one. She didn't put all her eggs in one basket. 2. The ball is in your court. This means it's your turn to take action. For instance, I've given you all the information, so now the ball is in your court. Another example, he asked her out, and now the ball is in her court. 3. Bite the bullet. This means to accept something difficult or unpleasant. For example, I didn't want to study, but I bit the bullet and finished my homework. Another example, she didn't like the dentist, but she bit the bullet and went anyway. 4. Hit the nail on the head. This means to describe something exactly right. For instance, when he said practice is the key to fluency, he really hit the nail on the head. Another example, her answer was perfect, she hit the nail on the head. 5. Throw in the towel. This means to give up. For example, after hours of trying, he finally threw in the towel. Another example, she didn't throw in the towel, she kept practicing until she succeeded. Here's a fun challenge for you. Choose one idiom each day, and use it in 2 different sentences, just like we did here. This way, idioms will become a natural part of your speech. When you use idioms, people will enjoy listening to you. Your English will sound less like a textbook and more like real life. Plus, idioms connect you to culture, humor, and everyday conversations. So remember, idioms are the secret power of English. They add color, emotion, and a bit of fun to your words. Start small, practice daily, and soon you'll find idioms flowing naturally in your speech. If this video helped you, please give it a like, share it, and subscribe to Plain Simple English. I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Which idiom will you practice today? Together, we'll make English simple, natural, and full of life.